The best way to handle this is to transfer this 3 and make 2x plus 1 the exponent of 3. So what it means is that we are going to write 27 equals to 3 raised power 2x plus 1. Now, the next phase is to make sure that both of them are carrying, or both of them have equal base. So here we have 3. We have to put 3 here instead of 27. So we are going to write 3 here. Then what will be the exponent of 3 that will convert it to 27? The answer is 3. So 3 raised by 3 will give us 27. And this equals 3 raised by 2x plus 1. This is what we are going to get here. And now we can see from here that the bases are equal. So we can equate the exponents. The implication is that we are going to have 3 equals 2x, then plus 1. Okay, now that we have 3 equals 2x plus 1, the next phase is simple. Transfer this plus 1 to this side. So we are going to have 3 minus 1. When plus 1 is crossing, it changes to minus 1. Okay, and that is equals to 2x. That is equals to 2x. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So it means that 2 equals 2x. 2 equals 2x. And when we divide both sides by 2, we have 2 divided by 2 equals to 2x divided by 2. So these 2 cancel these 2 to give us 1. And these 2 will cancel these 2 to give us x. It therefore means that our x is equals to 1. This is a simple solution to this question. Please do well to subscribe for more mathematics and physics tips. Goodbye for now.